For my ground turkey choice, I like to use a 99% lean ground turkey. This may be a little bit too lean for you, so if you prefer, you can use a 93% ground turkey. That's what's most often found at the grocery store. So you'll brown the ground turkey over medium-high heat. You'll need to mix this up, stirring frequently so that you don't get any of the meat too burned. Okay, looks like we are about all browned up here. The next step is actually a particularly good one when you're trying to eat lean, and that's rinsing and draining the ground turkey. What we want to do is be able to get rid of all of the fat, or at least as much of the fat as possible.